A long time ago, far, far away, Waka lived on the planet Flame. Waka wanted to know what was behind the fence, so he jumped over it. With him, he brought the amulet and declared himself Supreme Being of Earth.
I'm the Supreme Being.
While on the planet Earth, Waka discovered many things he enjoyed greatly, like the wonder of rhythm.
Pow, 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 fuck, 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 pow, 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 fuck, 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 pow, 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 Rick Squad 2012, fuck, flame. Sad.
While on Earth, Flocka created many good and wonderful things, such as music, rhythm, ping pong, fried chicken, rocks, and grass. However, being on Earth all alone made Flocka sad. He realized for true happiness, he needed an audience, so he created man. And then he was happy.
Oh, mosh pit.
After creating man, Waka continues his work by creating other good things, such as women, happiness, money, and lyrical genius. However, as people began to migrate throughout Earth, Flocka became power crazy and wanted to control everything. Luckily, one person decided to stand up to the crazy supreme ruler.
While Waka was in power, he destroyed many things that were good, except for humans. And out of this mess rose Adele, who thought to create all those good things again, like fish.
Oh no, it's the thunder!
Oh my god!
I challenge you to a ping pong battle.
I'm coming to you live at the ping pong match of Millennium, as Waka Flocka squares off against Adele. Winner, winning the amulet and ruling Earth forever. Loser, being banished from Earth forever. You may begin. And Adele has won! And Waka Flocka is off! He is leaving, and he will never come back! Adele, how do you feel about your victory?
I feel really good.
How good?
It's good!
My name is Max Nail, and I played Waka Flocka.
My name's Noah. I played cameraman and man.
My name is Will Trader, and I played Adele and cameraman.
I'm Robert, and I played the fish.
Jaeger, I played Dan and Mary. What up? What up? What up?
I'm sexy and I know it.
What up?
I'm sexy and I know it.